What's going on, pumpkin people? Check it out. Plant's getting a little bigger. We had a pollination this week. Let's check out that pumpkin. Got two other opportunities. Stick around. All right, as you can see here, plant's gotten a little bigger. Just got done applying some metocloprid. I put a tablespoon into the sprayer, 16 ounces of water. I set the dial for about 1 ounce per gallon, hit the whole plant. Then I hit the whole plant again with just straight water. It's been hot and humid the past couple days. A little bit of leaf scorch, not too bad. It'll grow out of it. I'm not too concerned. You can see a couple spots, but all in all, not too bad. I mean, nothing really you can do. I mean, a little bit of scorch, but I think they'll grow out of it. But putting on some really good size here. This secondary here is stunted, so I think I'm gonna try to grow this secondary out, try to loop it back to fill in that area. We'll see how that goes. We had a pollination this week, and we're at DAP 2. Here's our pumpkin, DAP 2. It's swelling up, so I had one or two males from another grower helped me out with giving me a male from his plant, but that will have 14 secondaries or so. Then we have another opportunity right here. That's gonna be 5 to 7 days, and then I thought that was it. I thought that was gonna be, option A, option B. I was like, well, it is what it is. I looked in the tip, I didn't see any, but today I was pleasantly surprised. I don't want to dig around there too much, but female actually snuck by me, and there's another one in there, probably another 7 to 10 days out. And that would be really nice if that pumpkin was out here, had all that plant. So we'll see how it really shakes out. Same story here. Got a little bit of burn, scorch, but nothing I can do. I missed the plant during the day. It's been so hot. I think Tuesday is gonna be 100. So we gotta really make sure to try to, cool down this plant as much as we can. Burying all of our vines. See there, we're starting to bury all of our vines. I gotta bury some of these. But all in all, we're doing really well. No really complaints. Here's an overall view of the plant again. Looking really good. And I'm trying to shade the females here so they don't want to board because of the heat. I had an ice pack when we pollinated next to the female. It was only 80 degrees that day, which not too bad. But if you haven't already, like, subscribe to our page, and thanks again for tuning in. We'll hopefully go over 1,000 pounds this year. Stick around, find out if we can hit that goal. It's looking promising. I mean, if I can get any of these 3 to go, I think we'll be in good shape, keep the plant healthy. There's no reason why we can't meet that goal. These leaves are really good size too, here in the scale. I mean, really good size leaves. But until next time, grow them big.